How to self-publish a children's book for under $100. Write, illustrate, publish and profit for less. By Andy Smith. Video number 1. Writing, illustrating and publishing your first book. Writing, illustrating and publishing your first book can be a daunting and expensive task. These videos will show you how to write, illustrate, publish and profit from your first book for less than $100. It has never been so easy to profit from children's books. With 4 children of my own and being a full-time family entertainer for more than 25 years, I have many ideas bouncing around my head. Ideas I wanted to capture and share with my own children and with my audiences. Advances in online and offline tools and the huge growth of companies like Amazon, publishing your own books has become a simple step-by-step process. It is now possible to write, illustrate, format and publish your own children's picture books in less than 2 weeks, spending less than $100. In these videos, I will share the step-by-step process I have developed to build an additional income stream. With this simple process, I am able to write and release 2 books a month on a part-time basis. Now a full-time author, I release 3 to 4 books a month and grow my income steadily whilst building a library of assets that generate income 24/7 and 365 days a year. Starting out, I invested heavily in a wonderful illustrator, who made my characters come to life. Unfortunately, the first couple of books struggled to break even. My illustrator making a profit while I struggled. I was determined to find ways to cut my costs and profit from my hard work. This is my journey, my mistakes, and my successes. I share these with you to encourage you to continue with your dreams. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, however, I share with you the tools, both free and paid, that I use daily as I build my own little empire. The average lifetime sales of a book are approximately 3,000 PCS. That is 3,000 books over a 5-year period. With royalties from each sale at approximately $1, meaning your total profits from each book will be $3,000 or $600 per year. Remember, this is an average. The costs for my first book included: illustrator $1,000, cover designer $150, editor $100, formatting $150, advertising $200, printing optional $200. The total $1,800. My initial spend was $1,800 before I sold a single book. I also had additional costs in time, and wasted money. I will come back to this later. Going forward, to profit from book sales, I had to develop methods of reducing my costs and increasing sales. Perfection. As a child, I struggled with English, my first and only language. Spelling has never been my forte, and then there is the grammar, oh yes, and punctuation. I cannot draw and coloring in. Well, that I can just about do by following the numbers. I now have a team that supports me, allowing me to be creative whilst they ensure the quality. I pay my team, and I think it is very important that you pay for services and never ask for people to work for free. I believe that everyone should be paid well for their work. An illustrator deserves to be paid in full. They have spent many years honing the skills, then there is the time for each image. You cannot and should not expect them to work for free. Offering them a share of the profits is not a solution. You may sell only a few books. As a family entertainer, I am frequently asked to work for free or exposure. Sadly, exposure does not pay my mortgage, fill my table with food, or even cover the costs of me getting to an event. I learned that all I get by working for free is more work for free. As I cannot work for free, I therefore cannot expect others to work for free. As you start to profit from your book sales, you can invest in any area you wish to help you grow your business. On the subject of business, yes, this is a business. Start small, work on it daily, and you will gradually see growth. With every business, an investment of time and money is required. Knowing what I know now, I probably would not have invested so much so soon, in the areas I did. The more work you put into your business, the bigger and faster the growth. Finding time to build your business is tough, till you consider how much TV you watch each week. Still cannot find the time? Go to bed half an hour later or get up half an hour earlier, work through your lunch hour. It's amazing how much time you can find to get your project done if you really want it. This video series is all about getting written, illustrated, formatted and published for under $100. It can be done. An investment in your time is all that is required. Thanks for watching. Subscribe so you'll never miss out again.